Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. Clearing saved passwords on Chrome enhances your online security, protecting your accounts from unauthorized access and potential breaches. So let's start the video. To remove passwords saved in Chrome, open your Google Chrome browser. Now click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Here select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security tab on the left sidebar. Under Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data option. In the Clear Browsing Data window, go to the Advanced tab. Make sure Passwords and Other Sign-in Data option is checked. You can uncheck other options. To erase all passwords from Chrome, select All Time in Time Range. Once you are ready, click on Delete Data button. This will delete all your saved passwords from Chrome. Thanks for watching.